The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a
tornadoes for days. At least it's not for me.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southern Kent County and central Delaware, east central Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 4 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Oakland, Oregon, 9 miles east of Centerville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Dover, Harrington, Camden, Greensboro, Goldsboro, Woodside, Viola, Rising Sun Lebanon, Rising Sun, Hazlettsville, Dover Base Housing, Sandtown, Wyoming, Felton, Frederica, Houston, Magnolia, Henderson, Riverview, and Highland Acres. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The special marine warning is canceled.